Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to turn off read-only in Excel Office 365. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to turn off read-only in Excel. Method 1. Remove the read-only recommended setting. This is one of the most common reasons for a file being read-only. Someone, perhaps even you, accidentally clicked this setting when saving the file. To turn it off, you essentially need to resave the file without this recommendation checked. To do so, with the file open, even in read-only mode, go to File, Save As. You can keep the same name and location, but before you hit save, look for the More options. Link or simply the Save button with a drop-down next to it. Next to the Save button in the dialog box, click on Tools and select General Options. From the drop-down menu, in the General Options pop-up window, you will see a checkbox for Read-Only Recommended. Uncheck this box. Click OK. Click Save. You will be asked if you want to replace the existing file. Click Yes. Close the file and reopen it. The read-only message should now be gone for good. Method 2. Change the file's properties. The next method is to change the file properties. Sometimes the lock isn't within Excel at all, but in the file properties set by Windows. This often happens if you've copied files from a CD-ROM or certain external drives. To change the file properties and disable the read-only mode, close the Excel file completely. Navigate to the file in Windows File Explorer. Right-click on the file icon and choose Properties. In the General tab at the bottom, look under Attributes. Uncheck the box that says Read Only. Click Apply, then OK. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to turn off read-only in Excel Office 365 using 2 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.